Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to flip and rotate videos in CapCut quickly and easily. Let's get started. Once you're in the CapCut app, create a new project and allow the necessary permissions to access your photos and videos. Select a video to add to the timeline, then click on it to select. Now we are going to look for the flip and rotate options. In the bottom menu, scroll left until you see the transform option. Click on it, and here you will see three options: rotate, mirror or reflect, and resize. Click on mirror to flip the image to the other side. This will create a mirror effect, and you'll see the video content switch sides. If you want to rotate the video, press rotate and adjust it as you like. You can leave it as is or rotate it however you prefer. And that's it. Now you know how to flip and rotate your videos in CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.